Did you know that birds possess abilities that defy human understanding? Imagine a bird soaring effortlessly through the sky for hours, its wings barely fluttering, covering vast distances without ever tiring. Imagine birds that can perceive colors beyond the human spectrum, seeing ultraviolet light that remains invisible to us. Birds are not just the creatures we see fluttering in our backyards or migrating across the sky. They are some of the most awe-inspiring and complex beings on the planet. Their extraordinary capabilities, such as their migratory patterns, advanced intelligence, remarkable physical feats, and social behaviors, make them one of nature's greatest wonders. In this video, we will journey into the fascinating world of birds. You'll be amazed as we uncover mind-blowing facts about these majestic creatures, explore their unique adaptations to survive in harsh environments, and delve deep into their mysterious abilities that often seem like magic. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher, an animal lover, or simply curious about the wonders of nature, you'll find this exploration of avian life to be captivating. Buckle up for an unforgettable adventure through the skies as we dive into the world of birds. In this video, we will embark on a journey that takes us deep into the heart of the avian world. Birds are not just creatures of flight. They are complex beings with sophisticated intelligence, intricate social structures, remarkable memory, and unique physical adaptations that allow them to survive in every corner of the Earth. From the depths of the Amazon rainforest to the icy tundra of the Arctic, birds have adapted in extraordinary ways to meet the challenges of their environments. Over the next few minutes, we will unveil astonishing facts about birds that you've probably never heard before. We will dive into the mystery of their migrations, the power of their flight, their intelligence, their strange and beautiful behaviors, and their intricate interactions with each other. We'll also take a look at the misconceptions surrounding these incredible creatures and shatter the myths that people have been believing for centuries. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed as we explore the captivating world of birds, an ecosystem of life that constantly challenges the imagination and captivates the human spirit. Birds are, without a doubt, one of the most diverse groups of animals on Earth. There are over 10,000 species of birds found across the globe, each with unique physical traits, behaviors, and adaptations that help them survive in their respective environments. From the smallest hummingbird to the largest ostrich, birds come in an incredible variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. One of the reasons birds are so diverse is their ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats. These creatures can be found in every corner of the globe, on every continent, in every climate, and in almost every ecosystem imaginable. Birds have evolved to live in the harshest environments, from the freezing cold of the Antarctic to the intense heat of the desert. Take the penguin, for example. Although penguins are flightless, they have evolved into superb swimmers. Penguins are adept at using their flippers to propel themselves through the water, allowing them to catch fish, krill, and other marine creatures. They can even dive to extraordinary depths, up to 1,800 feet underwater, where few other creatures can survive. This is an example of how birds have adapted to their environments in ways that few could have imagined. On the other hand, there are birds like the Arctic tern, which have evolved to survive one of the longest migratory journeys in the animal kingdom. These birds travel between the Arctic and the Antarctic, a round-trip migration of over 40,000 miles each year. Along the way, they encounter extreme weather conditions, diverse ecosystems, and a wide range of predators. Their ability to navigate such vast distances, relying on an innate sense of direction and seasonal cues, is one of the most incredible feats of migration in the animal kingdom. Bird migration is one of nature's most remarkable phenomena. Every year, billions of birds undertake epic journeys to find better food sources, more favorable climates, and suitable breeding grounds. Some species, such as the Arctic tern, migrate thousands of miles, crossing oceans and continents in search of warmer climates during the winter months. One of the most extraordinary things about bird migration is how some birds manage to navigate across vast distances with pinpoint accuracy. The migratory patterns of birds are not learned, but rather instinctual. Researchers have discovered that birds can use the stars, the sun's position, magnetic fields, and even the Earth's natural electric fields to help them navigate. Interestingly, birds like homing pigeons can even return to their original homes from long distances, sometimes hundreds of miles away, without ever having been there before. Their ability to find their way back with incredible accuracy remains a mystery, though scientists have speculated that it may involve the use of visual landmarks or the Earth's magnetic field. Birds have a physical anatomy that is perfectly suited for flight. Unlike mammals, birds have lightweight, hollow bones that reduce their overall body weight, which makes it easier for them to stay airborne. Their wings are specially designed to generate lift, which allows them to fly for extended periods of time. When a bird flies, it uses the flapping of its wings to create lift. The shape of a bird's wings, curved on top and flatter on the bottom, causes air to move faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath it. This difference in airspeed generates lower pressure above the wing, which creates lift and allows the bird to stay in the air. Birds have also developed different flight styles. Some birds, like the peregrine falcon, use high-speed dives to catch their prey. This bird is known as the fastest animal on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour during its dive. Other birds, like the albatross, are designed for long-distance travel. Albatrosses have extremely long, narrow wings that allow them to glide for hours across vast expanses of ocean, barely flapping their wings. Raptors, or birds of prey, are some of the most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. Eagles, hawks, and falcons possess exceptional vision, which enables them to spot their prey from miles away. Their talons are incredibly strong, allowing them to capture and kill animals much larger than themselves. For instance, the golden eagle has been known to prey on mammals as large as deer and goats. The peregrine falcon, known for its breathtaking speed, is capable of catching prey mid-air with its talons during its high-speed dive. Its hunting techniques and sharp eyesight make it one of the most fearsome predators in the bird world. Birds are more intelligent than many people realize. While some birds have physical adaptations that allow them to survive in specific environments, others rely on their cognitive abilities to solve problems, communicate, and interact with their environment in more complex ways. Birds such as crows and ravens are particularly known for their problem-solving abilities. These birds are highly adept at using tools to help them find food. Ravens, for example, have been seen using sticks to extract insects from tree bark or to pry open hard-to-reach food sources. Crows have been known to use a variety of tools, from leaves to twigs, to retrieve food from difficult spots. Some researchers have even observed crows making and using tools in the wild, showing an understanding of cause and effect that was once thought to be exclusive to humans. One of the most famous examples of problem-solving comes from a species of bird called the New Caledonian crow. These crows are known for their ability to fashion tools from leaves, twigs, and even their own feathers to solve complex tasks. In one experiment, New Caledonian crows were shown how to use a stick to retrieve a food item that was out of reach. The birds were able to replicate the process and even modify the tool to suit their needs, displaying an advanced understanding of tool use and problem solving. Many bird species have complex ways of communicating with each other. Parrots, particularly African gray parrots, are famous for their ability to mimic human speech. But parrots don't just imitate sounds, they can use words meaningfully, understanding simple commands and even forming basic sentences. Researchers have shown that African gray parrots can associate specific words with objects, actions, and events, demonstrating an understanding of language that is closer to human cognition than many other animals. Songbirds, on the other hand, communicate with intricate songs and calls, each species having its own unique repertoire. Some birds, like the lyrebird, are master mimics and can imitate a wide range of sounds from their environment, including chainsaws, camera shutters, and other bird calls. Their ability to replicate sounds is so precise that even expert listeners often find it difficult to distinguish between a lyrebird's calls and the original sounds. Birds also have fascinating social structures. Some species, like the Clark's nutcracker, demonstrate remarkable memory. These birds are able to hide thousands of seeds in various locations across vast areas and later retrieve them months later. a skill that is crucial for survival in harsh winter environments. This level of memory has been compared to that of humans, and it highlights the incredible cognitive abilities of birds. In addition to their memory, many birds also display sophisticated social behaviors. Magpies, for example, are known to recognize themselves in mirrors, an ability that has long been associated with higher intelligence in animals. They also show signs of mourning when a fellow magpie dies, indicating an emotional depth that was once thought to be unique to humans and a few other mammals. Birds have an extremely poor sense of smell, and most will continue caring for their young, even if they've been touched by humans. If you find a baby bird, it's usually best to leave it alone, as its parents are likely nearby, watching over it. Ostriches do not bury their heads in the sand. Instead, they lie low and flatten their heads against the ground to blend in with their surroundings. This is an effective way of evading predators. While many birds do migrate, not all of them do. Birds like the cardinal remain in the same region year-round, adapting to changing seasons with remarkable resilience. Some species have developed unique survival strategies to thrive in their habitats without the need to migrate. Birds are truly a gift of nature, and their presence adds life to our surroundings. Protecting birds and their habitats is essential to maintaining ecological balance. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of birds with us. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Do you want to learn more about specific bird species, their habitats, or perhaps dive into other fascinating topics about wildlife and nature? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.